Today's video I'm going to just show you how I made some sticker paper out of self-adhesive packing slips. This is the final couple of little experiments. I started with this type of label. It's adhesive. And so, you know, you want to obscure your name and address and stuff anyway before you dispose of it. At least I do. So I thought, well, why don't I just paint over this and whatever else, and then I can punch or cut or whatever. And so here I punched a circle and stuck it on. I think it's kind of cool. I'm sure I'm not the first person to come up with this idea. I haven't seen it because I didn't go looking for it, but I'm not claiming originality with this. I'm just showing you what I did, and maybe you forgot that that's something you can do. So give it a whirl. It's saving the planet. That's what we all want. Have a great day. Bye.